now going to add a small amount of glowing hair oil onto the hair before we blow dry. This is going to give softness, shine and radiance to the hair. Use the pipette, taking a small amount of oil, placing it into the palm of our hand before massaging it through and onto the hair.